so long. Hey, it's JoJo. I'm wearing my airport outfit. I'm just going to bring you guys with me so that y'all can see what I'm packing. Why am I moving? Okay, light right here. So I'm trying to show you guys what I'm packing for our trip to the Bahamas. We haven't been on vacation in God knows how long. I don't even know. Probably like, that's how long it's been. I don't even know. But this is kind of what I'm wearing to the airport. Let me show you real quick. I was just trying this on, so while I tried it on, you guys might as well see. I have this backless, sorry, I just got a message. Right now I'm wearing a backless black crop top, and I got it from Amazon, which you could probably get on my Amazon marketplace in the link in the description. And I have some sage green linen pants. These are from ASOS, and don't even mind the background. Don't mind the background. I'm packing right now. I got a lot going on. I have these shoes from Amazon. I just wanted something simple, platformish, comfortable to walk in, and that's what I got. So let me show you guys the rest of what I got. Let's pretend like the background is not very trashy, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got before my phone dies. So far, I shopped at Princess Polly for the first time, and I got some swimsuits that are the absolute cutest and remind me of like kunai kuni Hawaiian swimsuits. I'm not sure if I'm pronounced that right, so please correct me in the comments. But I got those type of swimsuits because I thought they were the cutest, and I got some underwire type bathing suits. So we're gonna start with the first bathing suit. I got, these are the bottoms, but this is a very cute, a little bit cheeky floral pink orange swimsuit that matches with this top, and it has a little underwire right here, like it's kind of hard right here, and it's the absolute cutest. Like it fits everything where it's supposed to fit, and it's so nice, absolute cute, so cute, colorful, bright, and that's what we want because it's summer. That's what we want. And this is the second swimsuit I got from Princess Polly. This one's orange, but this is also, yes, as I was saying, I have the Princess Polly underwire top, and this is so cute, colorful, fits so tight, like not so tight, but I like this part right here where it kind of like, I don't know, you have to see it on the models on Princess Polly, but it's just like it fits really nice right here, and that pairs with the bottoms. The bottoms are just as fitting and cute. These parts go a little bit on your hips, and this is the back. Not as cheeky as the previous bathing suit, but it's just as cute. Next bathing suit that I'm bringing, and we're bringing this to a 5-day Bahamas cruise, so just wanted to throw that out there. This is from Amazon, and I was a little bit skeptical because Amazon swimsuits I never tried any before, but this is cute. Like I really liked the pattern. And I like the material, very much thick material, and it's very cute. It looks kind of long here, but I promise you it's not. It's adjustable, but it's really cute, and it pairs with this top as well, and I really like this skinny part right here. I don't know, it adds a little oomph to the bathing suit, but it's cute. I will be taking a plethora of pictures, so be ready for that on my Instagram. I know I don't even update, I don't do anything, but I'm definitely posting pics. I got a hat for when I'm on the beach. I've never tried one before, but a nice little cowgirl hat, and I think this is the absolute cutest. Of course I won't be wearing it like this, but when I have it tied on my head, it's absolutely cute. So cute. I like the little beads around the perimeter of the hat with a little knot and a little tail back here, but it's really cute, secure hat. So I highly recommend this. Highly recommend. Got this off of Amazon. Also got these things off of Amazon. I've got a matching summer set, lounge set. You can wear this as pajamas, cover-ups, I don't know, you name it, but I got orange. I got them in the color orange shorts, along with an orange shirt that I would put as a cover-up. Very cute. And then you can button it up if you need to, and that's about it. But I also got a pink one to pair with my pink bathing suit. So this is so cute. Really brings out the colors. And it pairs with this. Pairs with this. Very cute, very cute. And this is already buttoned right here because when I put it on, I can button it in the back and then it won't fly towards me, you know. I got some black linen pants. These are just regular black sweatpants you could probably see me wearing in my college vlogs on my channel, so make sure to check those out. And these are just regular black linen pants that I got from ASOS as well. We're moving on to jewelry. I've got a waist bead. Very cute, very cute. My mom bought this for me. Got it from our local beauty supply store, and it's the absolute cutest because it really does match like all the clothes that I've got. So this, very cute. Oh my god, is this Mickey? You guys can't tell me, is this Mickey? Yo, is this Mickey? I've never seen this. If this is Mickey, that's kind of cute. I also got a seashell necklace because very much beachy. Like I was looking for Hawaiian sunset, island girl, coconut girl type thing. And this is absolutely cutest. Like I can't fit it over my head right now, but very cute. Also got some necklaces, but it's just regular gold necklace if I can get it out this box. Okay, there's actually nothing in this box. Got a matching set in white. So some nice shorts. And this is the top, but this time it has a collar. And it has short sleeves. So that's about it. And then I am bringing my pajamas and some leggings just in case I work out at the gym. I got these leggings. I believe they're from TJ Maxx. Very cute color. Yes, pajama set. These shorts with this top. If you've been watching my videos, you're very much familiar with these pajama sets. I have this cute short sleeve collared shirt along with matching shorts right here. And then I also have a matching set that this brand new. This is from Target, but this is a cute top with matching bottoms. Some of this is backwards, but it's very much, it looks the same. Boom, the yellow bathing suit. I was gonna try and wear this a different way that I saw online on Pinterest. Like turn it upside down and then like kind of do what you do. And then I have the matching bottoms. I also have a purple bathing suit, dark purple. I think this would be cute with like the black linen pants. Matching bottoms. Now I can't tell you where I got the purple one. I have no idea. These were hand-me-downs from my sister. These, I believe they were from Target or Walmart. I have no idea. I also have some undergarments. I have my toothbrush. You guys have to get you this. Like you have to buy this because this is just, it has a 2-minute built-in timer. And I don't know, a vibration is different. 3 different settings, but like even though the brush is smaller than usual, it's like, I don't know, something about it that just makes you feel extra squeaky clean. Right? Polaroid camera to create some new memories. I have about 5 pics I can take left. Just totally fine by me. I have my phone. I also have 2 claw clips that I can use. I don't think I'll be using these anytime soon, but you never know. Glasses for my reading when I'm on the airplane or at night or whenever I'm on my phone. Because I usually read on my phone, but we won't really have any internet service, I don't think, on the cruise. So that's totally fine. But as long as I can read, I don't care. I think I'm gonna bring a reading light as well. I don't have it around here. Dental brushes to clean in between my braces. They can get a little bit wonky. Bringing this Vaseline. Yeah, rosy pink Vaseline, very cute. Ever since I saw Jungkook from BTS wear this, I was like, okay, it's time for me to get it, and it's been working wonders. Some rings, just 2 because I'm not a ring person. I want to be, but just 2. keep it nice and simple. A few weeks ago I went to Barnes and Noble and I got a few manga books that you guys probably haven't seen yet. I can't show you right now because one is all the way over there and I have to go get it. Actually, let me go ahead and get it. Hold on. I read this second volume, the first and second volume of Walk the Koi, and watched the anime, but I decided there's no season 2, so I might as well continue in the manga, which I am, and I got the third volume, which I am waiting to complete until I get on that airplane. Like, I've waited weeks to read this, so I know it's about to be good. I have the second volume of Blue Flag. I bought the first volume back in like December-ish, I think, or January-ish, and I wasn't able to get the second volume because they didn't have it in stock, and now they do. So reading this. I also have a few other books that I am bringing with me, so you guys will see those eventually. I'm also bringing a soap dish, Nile soap, deodorant. I have a few earrings. They're gold earrings. They are, I believe, 14 karat gold earrings because my ears cannot take fake jewelry. As bougie as that sounds, it can't take like not real metal, real gold or real silver, or I will get bumps. So nice earrings. I'm bringing my Switch so that I can play Stardew Valley or Hades. A few other small knickknacks that I'm bringing, but not very but not very much worth mentioning. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog the rest of like the trip, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do that. I don't know if I want to enjoy it or not.
And where can I get some humanity around here? Have you checked dial 3? The selling dreams with reality. It's on sale, buy one get one free. And honestly, this life moves like a daydream, caught between now the way.
Aircraft, keep in mind these bins are full. So you want to put that larger bag in the bins in the back of the aircraft are pretty full. So try to find an open overhead bin and go ahead and So around this time, we were getting ready to land, and my siblings were looking so amazed by the view, and I was too because it was so pretty. But we landed at our pier of transfer, and we got ready to go. As soon as we got there, we got guys' burgers, and their burgers were actually not that bad at all. And then we made it into our room. We were absolutely tired, so we literally just took a nap. We'd even look at this Halloween party because we were so tired, and we've been traveling for hours. Say hello, everybody.
Yeah, what's up?
We went outside to look at the beautiful ocean. Oh, they didn't even tell us we were going away. Everything was just so cool to see. I don't think I've ever been this close to the ocean ever. Like, the water was crazy. But afterwards, later that day, we went to dinner with the family at a reservation, and the food wasn't too good, but it was fun. And then we just explored the ship a little more. We looked around, we heard like the orchestra playing, and then we looked outside some more. Later that night, we went to the welcome aboard show just to meet our ship director, and he was actually the best ship director ever, Andy. He is the greatest. Even later that night, I saw a boat across from us. Like, I didn't know who it was, but it was cool. Oh my god, not focusing. Focus. And then we knocked out. That was the end of day 1. Day 2, We ate breakfast with the family. We got lost a little bit, but hey, what's fun without getting lost? Food was not too bad. The omelets were actually the best, but the view was even better. After breakfast, we explored the ship a little bit. It was a little bit cloudy, but we were able to suntan later because the sun came out. Then that night, they were showing Ant-Man and the Wasp, and I thought it was pretty darn cool, but we already saw the movie. And then we just chilled in our hotel room for a little bit. Here's a daily dose of Tyler being silly once again.
Went back down.
And then we just started chit-chatting with the fam on the porch. It was really nice, relaxing, just to hear the ocean. It was great. I really enjoyed being on the patio the most and just chit-chatting about everything in the world.
Already
He wants us to go out the door?
out the door. This door, yeah. And then make sure we lock it.
Okay.
As long as no one stop it, probably. More than likely.
Did we get this earlier today?
Or you can wrap that around as a bracelet or a necklace.
Stand by. Here's Tim and I. We were at a souvenir shop at Nassau, and our grandma was just buying some souvenirs. And then later, after we ate and did everything that we wanted to do, we walked back to our dock to get back on the ship so that we don't get left behind. It was so hot. It was crazy. But we got back out, and the view at our hotel room was the best. And later that night, we had a nice steakhouse dinner. It was really cool. The food was way better than the last dinner.
These are the color of the water when I was in Puerto Rico.
Nice. This was the view from our cabin room. It was beautiful, and after we got in the pool and went down some water slides, I just chilled. And I still looked at more of the ocean, apparently. It was really nice, sparkly, beautiful. I just wanted to jump right in there. And this was my mom. My mom and the cruise director really had like a funny gag going on throughout the entire ship. It was really nice, and I think our family enjoyed it a lot.
Say it louder.
I take you tonight at the show.
You're telling me on the show. You're telling me my show. Oh. I said, don't right there. Come to my show. All right, so yeah, let's get a bit weird.
Then we went straight to Andy's comedy show, which was really fun to watch. It was really cool, and he was actually funny, unlike some. But then afterwards, I just looked at a nice little solo performance, and then we headed on back the next day. I don't have too many clips from this because there wasn't much to record, and we were sad we didn't want to go home. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.